iPhone 11. eSIM, everything you need to know. Discover the iPhone 11 eSIM features, including how to activate and troubleshoot them. This is the perfect guide for anyone curious about using an eSIM with their iPhone 11. The iPhone 11, introduced by Apple in 2019, supports eSIM technology. This guide explores its capabilities and provides a step-by-step activation guide. Many users are curious if the older iPhone 11 model supports eSIM technology. Here, we confirm that it does and discuss its benefits. I, an iPhone 11 user, explored eSIM technology out of curiosity. This led to discovering that my device is indeed eSIM compatible. Initially unsure, my research confirmed that the iPhone 11 supports eSIM, allowing users to enjoy its benefits without needing a physical SIM. For those looking to use eSIM on the iPhone 11, this guide covers everything from activation to troubleshooting. Let's dive into the details of iPhone 11 eSIM support and setup. Yes, the iPhone 11 does support eSIM, allowing for digital SIM card use that eliminates the need for physical SIMs. eSIM technology is embedded directly into your phone, making it compatible with the digital-only SIM format supported by iPhone 11 models. Since the iPhone XS and XR models, Apple devices, including the iPhone 11, have supported eSIM technology. With eSIM, users can avoid physical SIM limitations, making it ideal for frequent travelers or those needing dual phone numbers. To access eSIM settings on iPhone 11, go to Settings, select Cellular, and view or modify your eSIM plans. Activating your eSIM can be done via QR code or manual entry, depending on your provider's process. To activate using a QR code, scan it with your iPhone 11 under Settings, Cellular, add Cellular Plan, and follow the prompts. Alternatively, manually enter the activation details provided by your carrier under the same menu if a QR code is not used. Once activated, eSIM allows you to seamlessly use network services, switch carriers, and manage dual SIMs. Key benefits include no physical SIM hassle, easier carrier switching, and benefits like reduced roaming charges and enhanced security. Here's how to convert a physical SIM to an eSIM on your iPhone 11. Navigate to Settings, Cellular, and select Convert to eSIM. Troubleshoot eSIM issues by restarting your iPhone, updating software, verifying carrier and network support, or resetting network settings. For eSIM activation issues, contact your carrier's customer service for further assistance. Not all carriers support eSIM. Verify with your provider. eSIM can also be installed remotely with carrier assistance. Stay updated on eSIM functionalities and carrier compatibility for iPhone 11 by subscribing to relevant updates. Thanks for watching.